Hi, I'm Karen and welcome to my YouTube channel. This time I'd like to tell you about my recent November art retreat with 3 friends who I met in Mexico at a mosaic workshop. We all came home with some fabulous pieces and a great friendship. We all decided we had to get together again and make some more magic with mosaics. So the plan was that Jodi, Georgia, and Nina would spend 6 days with me, and we would each do one large and one small piece. So this is our story of what we were able to create. We really only had 4 work days to make head planters for both Georgia and Nina, which was quite a challenge. So right away, they drew on their mannequins, began the process of making the mannequin heads strong enough to support mosaics. 4 days wasn't long enough to make hats, but we decided turbans would look great. While we were waiting for things to cure, this is what Georgia worked on, and this is what Nina worked on. 2 cute extra pieces to take home. Meanwhile, Jodi wanted to make a sun, and we used the same cement mold face that I used on this piece, which she really liked. We all helped Jodi put Clayshay on the rays of the sun, and it took about 2 days to dry, but this is how it looked before mosaic. Then we began to apply the features to the face and the rays next, and she'll take it home to grout and paint the background. Turned out great. Nina and Georgia learned how to make eyes and a mouth and bring their head planters to life with new faces. So working day and night, we were able to accomplish the seeming impossible and check out this beautiful finished piece by Georgia. Amazing. We used glass, we used tile, we used cups and cup handles for the ears, and lots of beautiful sparkly glass. She is just wonderful. And here's Nina's beauty. Nina brought some jewelry pieces to put on her head planter, and they just set it off so well. The high collar is a plate pattern, the edges of the plate, and this one has hair, and that was part of a very nice textured vase. All of these were applied with either thin set, or we used epoxy sculpt for our adhesive as well. Another fantastic piece. They'll take them home to grout, and I can't wait to see how they turn out. Jodi finished her second piece, which was a chameleon, a very bright one indeed. Nina also finished the van for her husband as a gift. So in 4 days we were able to accomplish our goals and have a great time doing it. And this is just a little tribute to that fun event. We'll have to try it again very soon. It was my personal honor to host and teach folks that flew in all the way from Minnesota for Nina and Canada for Jodi and Georgia. Wow. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Have a great day.